This is my Windows 11 machine. I'm going to remove, or at least create a local account. So I need to go in settings. First click over here, and then click on settings. From here, on the left side, click on accounts, and then click on your info. After you click on your info, scroll down to the part where it says sign in with local account instead. And then it'll ask you, are you sure? Are you sure you want to switch to a local account? And I'm sure. I want to switch. When setting up Windows, it didn't give me this option. So I need to put in the password. Just enter in your local account information and then click next. It's gonna ask to sign out and finish, so I just sign out and finish. That's it. Very annoying to have a Windows account, but I'm doing it anyways.